An officer clocks a woman speeding 100 miles per hour in a 50 mile per hour zone. But as he'll soon learn, this'll be the least of the problems she creates for herself.
Get out of your car.
What?
Step out of your car.
Why?
Step out of your car.
Are you gonna arrest me?
1552. I'm 1050, Papa X-ray Mike, Zulu 95. Be just west of the Dollar General. Hey! 1552. I got one refusing to get out of the car. 35. Step out of the car now. Step out of the car. Step out of your car.
Are you at County Road 21?
1552. I'm just west of County Road 21 on State Road 20. Ma'am, let me see your driver's license. Ma'am, I'm about to break your window. Get out of the car. Ma'am, step out of the car. Give me your driver's license and get out of your car now. Let me see it. Provide it outside of the window now. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Step out of the car now. Step out of the car. Step out of the car. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Step out of the car. The last time I'm going to ask you, step out of the car. I cannot hear a word you're saying. You're being stopped. Step out of the car. I can't hear you. We're not leaving. We're not leaving. We're not leaving. We're not leaving. Step out of the car. Step out of the car. Step out of the car now.
Can you speak in English? Because I don't think you can hear me.
Step out of the car.
No. Do you hear him?
I don't know who you're talking to.
Do you hear this person talking to me?
I work with the sheriff's office. Get out of the car.
He's a criminal and he's assaulting me.
You're being stopped. Get out of the car.
Criminal and he's stopping me.
Get out of the car.
He's assaulting me. The officer is assaulting me.
Get out of the car now.
No, he won't even, okay. You want to talk to him?
Open the door.
Mom, he's talking right
Open the door.
now. See what he's saying?
Open the door and get
You're
out.
opening the door, you piece of shit.
Get out of the car. You're driving 100 miles per hour in a 50 mile per hour zone. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. You are under arrest. Get out of the car. Get out of the car now. Get out.
Call this number right here and talk to that bitch.
Get out of the car now.
Yeah,
Get out of the car.
he's not even talking to me, he's yelling at me.
Get out of the car.
Oh, you dumb fucking warthog.
Get out of the car.
Pig piece of shit.
Get out of the car now.
You stupid fuck.
If we have to ask you again, we're gonna break your windows and we're gonna pull you out of the car. Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
I said no.
Get out of the car.
No.
Get out of the car.
No. Yeah, if he's
We're gonna have to rip her out of the car.
Hey, get out of the car.
Hey, I have rights, you stupid shit.
Get out of the car.
No, I'm an American citizen.
15.
Get out of the car.
She's refusing to get out. She's verbal. She hasn't left. We're gonna break her.
Get out of the car.
No, it's not my car.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
Break the window, Perry, now. Break the window.
Right.
Yeah, break.
Get out of the car.
Get out of the car now.
No,
Get out of the car. Do not touch me. Perry,
get away from me.
Get out of the car.
get out of the car, you're getting tased.
Ow.
Get out of the car, you're getting tased. Stop, don't cut her arm, Perry.
I'm a girl.
Do not touch me.
I'm a fucking girl.
If you don't get out of the car, we're gonna tase you.
How am I supposed to move my arm?
Sit back.
Don't push me.
Sit back.
You're
Perry, let go of her arm for a second.
assaulting me. Yeah, you got a new car. Congratulations.
Get out now.
Take off my seatbelt.
Get out now.
Assaulter. Rapist. Yeah, fuck those blonde
Get
guys.
out of the car.
Don't.
Get out of the car.
No, don't do that.
Get out of the car.
Ow.
Out of the car now!
Oh. Mom, they're asking.
I got it, Perry.
Ow.
I told you you're under arrest.
No, you're a criminal. I said you're a criminal. Are they even filming this shit? This is ridiculous.
Let's get her up out of the road, Perry. Stand up. Stand up.
I'm not standing. Oh, what are you gonna do? Take off my shoes?
Go in the car.
My car.
No, this one. Sit down.
I don't know how to
Sit down. Get in the car.
I'm stupid. I don't know how to sit down.
Get in the car. Get in the car.
Get in the fucking car. We're done.
Oh, you
Put your
cursed.
feet. Put her feet up.
Yeah. Fucking.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Thank you for your service.
Thanks.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm fine. Hang up that phone, Perry.
Is that a reception?
Yeah, she grabbed me by my arm and threw my arm. Sounds like battery. What an absolute idiot.
Hello. Hello. Fat f***, are you there? Hello. Piggy, piggy, piggy. Are you there? Hey, Nazi. Are you a nigger? Hello. Fine.
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah, I just got a little cut on the hand there.
Sorry.
That's all it was.
That's it when I'm reaching back in the car and I got.
Yeah, well, I mean, I just gauged your level of like resistance. You know what I mean? Like you got blood on there too. Yeah, she obviously wasn't trying to harm us, but you can't like resist the police when you're telling to get out of the car. But she literally just grabbed me by my arm as I reached in the car. Like, no, we're not doing that, dude.
The sergeant arrives on scene to understand what happened.
I stopped her for 150. She stopped right here, walked up to the window, and she had the window cracked. She presents a driver's license. I said, hey, step out of the car. And then she started refusing from there. And that's basically it, man. She starts refusing to get out of the car. She rolled up the window, and the moment she rolled the window, I just continuously gave her commands, hey, get out. She said no. She starts using profanity and stuff like that. So ask her to get out. I wait for old Jacob Perry to get here. I say, hey, Jacob, break the window. He breaks the window. We grab her. I go to reach in the car. She grabbed me by my wrist. I then opened the door, and then we pulled her out, and her arm got cut a little bit. That's it.
Did you get cut?
A little, yeah. Just a little.
We gave her commands before we broke one. I said, hey,
Gave her multiple commands. Like I'm not playing the command game. Like I told her 15,000 times to get out of the car. She didn't want to get out. She didn't get out.
I told her
Therefore, she's being arrested for battery on law enforcement, speeding 100 miles per hour in a 50 mile per hour zone. resisting law enforcement, and then whatever else she has in her car. So that's what we're doing.
I made sure to get command, get out of the car. And
Yeah.
I said, let's break the window. I said, all right. I told her one more time, hey, don't get out of the car. I'm going to break the window, and you get out of the car. Then do that. Broke the
That's
window.
it.
Got out of the car.
Literally that easy, bro.
Yeah.
That simple. Could have been avoided.
Yep.
Told her multiple times, hey, I work with the sheriff's office. You need to get out of the car. You're being stopped. You need to get out of the car. She didn't do it. So that's where we're at. So now we're going to go inventory that vehicle. We're going to have the rescue check her out. 10:15, we're going to tow the car and we're going to call it a day. That's what's going to happen.
No.
Resisting with violence, battery on law enforcement.
Did that come from the glass, or did that come from?
This came from me affecting my duty to take her into custody, and because of her resisting. So it's resisting with violence, and then it's resisting with violence, it's battery on law enforcement, and then it's speeding, and that's it. That's it. So far. Till we search the car if we find anything else.
It's just makeup products. Record.
Yeah. Probably not going to want to talk to you, sir. She used the N-word on me.
Hey, Sergeant, listen to the sheriff's office. You haven't met me yet. What's going on? Y'all go do what y'all gotta do.
Sure.
I got arrested.
Can you do me a favor? Just take a picture of me.
Go ahead.
Just head on.
All right. Yep. Hey.
Hang up. Hang tight. What an idiotic decision. How stupid.
When you grabbed her, did you get any of her blood on you?
Probably. Oh, wait. No, I didn't actually. That's just mine. Yeah, because my sleeves were down. I didn't get anything on me at all. That was mine from my hand. I didn't get any blood on me. I cut my hand on the glass getting her out.
You don't have glass in your hand. It's just a little superficial.
I believe so, yes. It should be all it is. 150, resisting with violence, battery on law enforcement, and that's it, I think. She really didn't do anything else. She has a good driver's license. The car's in... What?
Why did she stop?
Why didn't she?
Yeah.
No, she did stop.
Well, at first, and then she was not. Yeah, she put her ID up to the damn window.
Yeah, but no, I said, no, we're not. I said, step out of the car. And she didn't want to do it. So you didn't want to do it. Sorry, you just got arrested. So I told her, hey, you're under arrest, get out of the car. She's like, no. I'm like, oh, okay. She's going to call me a piece of shit. And I was like, okay, well, we're about to find out here in just 1 second. So I just wanted to wait for someone else to get here before I went back and started messing with stop sticks, any of that stuff. She's super compliant, not like aggressive in any way. So compliant in the terms of like she's not taking off on me, but she just kept refusing to get out. So it's kind of where we're at. Hey, Jana. Is it Jana or Jana?
Jenna.
Jenna, are you actually pregnant?
No, I lied.
You lied? Okay. No, she said she lied.
Oh, okay.
She said she made that up. Okay. Thank y'all. Sarge, thank you.
Yep, no problem.
Miss Jenna, can you hear me?
Yes.
Hey, so have you ever been arrested before? For what?
For what?
Yeah.
One time I hit my mom.
So battery?
Huh?
Like a battery?
They said it was a misdemeanor, but
Yeah.
it was basically like assault.
Yeah, battery's like the physical touching of someone else. So yeah. Anything else or no?
I think it was like petty theft at one point.
Okay.
Like that.
So today, obviously you're placed under arrest. You're being charged with resisting with violence, which is a third-degree felony, and then you're being charged with just the speeding, the 50 miles per hour over. Okay. You got any questions for me?
No, sir.
Okay. Can I ask you a question?
No problem.
Why didn't you want to get out of the car?
Well, because I knew I was going to get arrested.
Okay.
I didn't get into an accident.
No, you didn't get into an accident.
No, sir.
Nope. How far were you driving that fast?
How far to St. Augustine?
No, like you were at 100 miles an hour. So were you driving 100 miles per hour for a really long time?
I don't really care. They're going to arrest me anyway. I'm going to jail, so I don't think
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Okay, you don't have any questions for us?
No, sir.
Okay. Or were you aware that you have to get out when we ask you to get out?
No.
Okay. All right, can you exit, please?
Yeah.
Thank you. You ever been taken in this jail before?
No, no.
Alright, I'll explain everything nice and easy, okay? Just go through that side of the door for me over there. You can walk through that big metal door, okay? Yep, you just walk right through there. Alrighty. So the door behind you is going to shut. The one in front of you is going to open. There's a wooden bench to your right. Just go have a seat on it. Make sure you listen to these people, okay? Sound good? Alright.
The 34-year-old woman was charged with dangerous excessive speeding for her first offense and resisting an officer with violence. Dangerous excessive speeding is when you're operating a vehicle at extremely high speed in a way that creates dangers to others. The dangerous and excessive speeding charge was dropped with no conviction or penalties. If the woman was convicted, which in this case she was not, the max penalties are 90 days to 6 months in jail with fines and license consequences. This is typically treated as a misdemeanor reckless driving related offense. For her second charge, resisting an officer with violence under Florida Statute 843.01, this is when you're knowingly resisting, obstructing, or opposing a law enforcement officer using physical force or violence during the performance of their duties. In this case, she refused to exit the vehicle, pushed the officer's arm, which led to him getting a cut on his hand. For this resisting an officer with violence charge, the adjudication was withheld, which means the court did not formally convict the defendant of the felony. However, the defendant was still found to have committed the offense for sentencing purposes. This is basically not a not guilty outcome, but it's also not a full conviction either. It kind of sits in between. The defendant accepts responsibility, often via plea, and the judge chooses not to enter a formal conviction. Courts often use it when the person has limited or no prior record. The judge believes they deserve a second chance, and it helps avoid some long-term consequences of a felony conviction. But it's important to note the person still goes to jail or probation. It still can show up on background checks. It can still count against them in future cases, be used to enhance penalties later, and if they do violate probation, the court can adjudicate guilty later and impose harsher penalties. Now, if you're wondering if the woman who didn't want to exit the car and eventually had her window broken ended up going to jail, she did, and was sentenced to 3 months in county jail with around $615 in total court costs. So what started out as ignoring the officers eventually led to her having to replace her window, having to pay over $600 in fines, and ultimately being sentenced to sitting in jail for 3 months. Let me know your honest thoughts on this case down below in the comments. In my opinion, this was a bit of ego and officer distaste that went a little bit too far, and once you start playing stupid games with the police, you usually end up losing. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.
Get out of the car! Get out of the car now.
Yeah.
Get out of the car. Do not touch me. Here.
Get away from me.
Get out of the car.
Get out of the car, you're getting tased.
Ow.
Get out of the car, you're getting tased. Stop, don't cut her arm, Perry.
I'm a girl.
Do not touch me.
I'm a fucking girl.
If you don't get out of the car, we're gonna tase you.
How am I supposed to move my arm?
Sit back.
Don't push me.
Sit back.
You're
Perry, let go of her arm for a second.
assaulting me. Yeah, you got a new car. Congratulations.
Get out now.
Take off my seatbelt.
Get out now.
Assault. Rapist. Yeah, fuck those blonde
Get
guys.
out of the car.
Don't.
Get out of the car.
No, don't do that.
Get out of the car.
Don't. Ow.
Out of the car now!
Oh.